What is a dictionary in programming?
Dictionaries are special data structures that store key value pairs. Instead of using numbered indexes like lists, dictionaries allow you to search for or update values using unique keys. This structure makes it easy to quickly look up, insert, or delete information. Dictionaries are fundamental tools in languages like Python, JavaScript, and many others.
Why use hash tables for dictionaries?
Hash tables are the secret behind fast dictionary operations. They convert keys into numerical indexes using a process called hashing. This lets the dictionary quickly jump to the right spot in memory. As a result, searching for, adding, or deleting keys usually happens almost instantly, even when the dictionary stores thousands of entries.
The hashing process explained.
When you add a key value pair, the key runs through a hash function, which generates a hash code. This code is then mapped to an array position called a bucket. The value is stored at that location. When you later need the value, the dictionary rehashes the key, jumps to the same spot, and retrieves the value efficiently.
Handling collisions in hash tables.
Sometimes, two different keys create the same hash code, leading to a collision. Hash tables solve this with techniques like chaining, storing multiple key value pairs in a list at the same index, or open addressing, where the table looks for the next available spot. Good hash functions and proper management help keep collisions rare.
Key benefits and limitations.
Dictionaries backed by hash tables offer incredibly fast access and flexibility. However, their speed depends on a well-distributed hash function and enough space to prevent collisions. They don't maintain order of entries, and keys usually must be immutable types. Despite these limits, dictionaries remain one of the most powerful tools for storing structured data efficiently.